very rich in wildlife, is so blessed. In this video, uh, you'll be able to enjoy most of its wildlife, and we'll start with the gillerfish. As Uganda's wildlife is preserved by Uganda Wildlife Center, wildlife animals are being taken good care of, and they have preserved a large amount of land which are game parks where these animals still call homes, and people are not allowed to encroach on the lands. Also, to come in the video, you'll be able to enjoy a large amount of other animals like lions and crocodiles. These are tourists making a game drive-through. A game drive-through is so important. It gets you more close to wildlife animals such as killerfish, lions, crocodiles, name. Here you see the lions as they feed. This is also called behind the scenes. You get very close to lions as they feed. Every lion is fed 10 kilograms of beef, and all that fun comes from the contribution. In this video also, you'd be able to notice the crocodiles. These beautiful alligators have been part of the reptile family for a long period of time. As you see, they're in their summertime mode. These are two beautiful female crocodiles. In case you want to grab your passport and ride your plane into Uganda, wildlife will be part of the story you will tell for the rest of your life. Also to come in the video is Uganda Wildlife Center. It's a zoo where you're protected as you tour through wildlife, animals, reptiles. Reptiles, they normally feed twice in a month due to their slow metabolism, so they are easy to keep. As you see that the country keeps on growing and keeps on preserving nature. It's so green, so green. This is the perfect places for wild animals and humans to live together. You see there are water ponds, there's grass, there's trees provide oxygen, and in return, animals and humans provide carbon dioxide. We have our king swimmer also in this video. Such a nice, lovely guy. She's so welcoming, greeting visitors. Also, we are here where snakes are kept. We have the python in the video. You may not be able to see it so close because pythons are kept in glasses. As you understand, snakes sometimes are dangerous. We have monkeys. We have monkeys and a baboon. A baboon looks to be irritated by the presence of monkeys. We're back to the crocodiles. Hey guys, subscribe, share, like, comment, let us know which animals you want us to bring you in our next video. We will be more than happy that we bring you these videos. These are low videos, no editing. The voice is human. This is not AI voice. And the video is proudly brought to you by Ivy Rooms Enterprise. Ivy Rooms is a US-based LLC which helps you do booking, hotel bookings, safari bookings, game drive bookings, gorilla trekkings in Uganda, in Rwanda, and in Kenya. Lots and lots of videos will be coming on Kevin Travels for Business as we explore the nature and beauty of wild animals in Uganda. Uganda, remember, is the pearl of Africa, according to the first British explorer.